Hey cleaning family, I am making this highly requested video of what's in our bag, residential cleaning edition. So please stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing with you all the products and tools needed to properly clean a home. All right, so let's get into the products that we pack for every single residential cleaning. Now, this is a curation of products that I have come up with along the way. So I buy all of these products, number one, because they are effective and they help us clean efficiently. So if you are cheaping out on your cleaning products, I can guarantee it is going to cost you more in labor, okay? So first, let's talk about this Husky bag. This is a very heavy duty bag. They are amazing. I mean, we haven't had any other bags since purchasing these. We have tried a few other ones, but nothing as durable as this Husky bag. You can find this in my Amazon store link. You'll be able to find all of these products in my Amazon store link that I will have in the description below. So again, Husky bag has lots of compartments and lots of pockets inside, and one of my all-time favorites. You are able to wash these on a very light load and allow them to air dry, although I don't suggest doing it too often. Now let's get into what's on the outside of the bag. So here we have our Mr. Clean floor cleaner. We love this because it's an antibacterial and it has a really nice scent. Okay, so here on the back of our bag, we have Easy Off, which all we know is for the oven. We do use a mask when using this, and we do pair this with some SOS pads to clean with. Now here we have our stainless steel cleaner. We used to use Weiman stainless steel. However, the Zep stainless steel is a little bit less expensive and does work just as well. Now for counter granite tops, we have the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. We love this stuff. It is awesome for granite countertops such as this one. Now on this back pocket here, you'll notice that we have our Febreze. Now this we use after we clean a room. We just simply spray the air or the bed or furniture and it smells really awesome. Now on this side of the bag, we have our Coast-Wide All-Purpose Cleaner. Now this we use to clean all surfaces. It has a neutral pH, so this is really helpful, along with the Zep bottles that we purchase. Now here you'll notice we have Zep foaming shower tub and tile. Now this we use for very heavy duty bathrooms, meaning tons of body oil, tons of grease, tons of grime. This is our second go-to for cleaning bathrooms. Now our first go-to is Scrub and Bubbles. Now this is the aerosol can and we love to use this in bathrooms all around. Again, this bad boy right here is only used when necessary, and please do keep in mind you need to be extremely careful with this stuff. If you get it on your clothes, it will burn your skin. Explained all the products on the outside of the bag. We are going to get what's in the bag. Okay, so if you come over here, you guys will be able to see a number of different pockets. So first and foremost, we have our Lysol toilet gel. Now we do use this for heavy duty cleaning on the inside of a toilet, and why I say heavy duty is because we also have our Clorox toilet wand, right? And these wands actually come with these replaceable heads that do have a little bit of product inside. However, if you feel you do need more, that's when we'll go ahead and grab our Lysol Power Gel, okay? Now, we have a bottle of Ajax soap in every single bag because we all know that this can be used anywhere, right? Let's say you run out of detergent for the floor, you can use this. If you run out of pretty much anything, Ajax soap, Dawn soap, #1. Now, of course, we have a shower squeegee. So we do use this to dry off the walls in the shower, and in order to clean the shower walls, we do have our trusty magic erasers. Now we do buy the HDX brand, and of course I will link everything in the description. Another really handy item here are these painter's cups. Now we do use these a lot in showers and while cleaning around the house instead of running to a sink to wet our rags if we do want to use soap and water. Now, we also have a non-scratch sponge in every single bag that we packed, and this is for countertops and just about anything really, but mainly we use this in the kitchen. Now, we also do carry SOS pads in every single one of our bags. I don't currently have one, but we do carry them and they are only used in the oven with the easy off. We do not allow our technicians to use Brillo pads anywhere else other than the inside of the oven, because you don't want to risk scratching any surfaces and then having to replace anything. So now we have some PPE. We have shoe covers. Now we put on shoe covers before entering anybody's home, and we make sure to always have a new pair of shoe covers. We do not use these over and over. They are meant to be thrown away after you are in one home. And please be sure that if you are going to be running to the car or in and out of the house, you do remove them, put them in your pocket, and put them again before entering the home. Now, of course, we have our trusty trash bags. We pack 2 per clean, and the reason why is because we keep one for all of our dirty paper towels, our dirty toilet wands. These you don't want to flush. And then we have another bag to keep our dirty rags in. So, you know, we continually grab rags and throw them in here. Speaking of rags, we bring a number of microfiber rags per clean with us. I want to say anywhere between 30 and 40 per home, just because we don't continually want to use the same rag and cross-contaminate. Now, of course, we have our nitrile gloves. These are amazing. You know, we make sure to put these on at every clean. And if you're going to clean a bathroom, when you're done, please be sure to throw them away, because again, you don't want to cross-contaminate. Now, paper towel we use at every single house clean. Now, we do try to keep this to using it just on windows and in the bathroom. Everywhere else, you can use a microfiber rag. I just find that sometimes cleaning glass, you will leave behind a little bit of hairs from the microfiber, and I don't think that it's sanitary to clean toilets with a microfiber rag. I have just a couple of tools with us in this bag, which are one of our scrub brushes. Now, this is an angled scrub brush. We do use this in the showers. And of course, we do have our little scraper that we carry. Most of the scrapers that we do buy aren't metal. They're actually plastic to make sure that we do not scrape any surfaces. Now I wanted to show you guys some equipment that we use for residential house cleaning. So first we have our Swiffer 6-foot extendable duster. These are great for high dusting as well as low dusting, and I love that you can throw these away after every clean. To mop, we have the O-Cedar Spin Mop, one of my favorite mops of all time, again for residential cleaning. And we do not use any brooms or dustpans in my business. We use 6-quart HEPA vacuums by Protein. And I will be sure to link everything that you've seen in this video down below in the description. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys gained any valuable information from this video. Also, please let me know in the comments of any other videos that you would like me to film for you guys. Thank you so much, cleaning family. See you next time.